I don't think that's true. Actually, I think we had it at the last battle. You know what the funny thing about that is? We had it at the last battle of the birds.
Yeah.
No.
Right? Like, that happened. I like HoodieTar changing out the skins every time.
Look, you better suck my dick after this because you work on play.
Alright.
You're not one.
Okay.
I played Shiny so much, dude.
I know, that's why it's not.
See the mic that got adjusted? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, apparently it was a little quiet, so they brought it closer for us.
Oh, that's okay. Cool. Here. Okay. Good answer. Good combo. All right.
HoodieTar is playing really well today.
Yeah, I think he just needed to knock off the rust. Obviously, that's what he did with me. So, starting to feel a little more comfortable with
Yeah.
making his confirms and stuff.
Ooh,
okay.
That was a very
Yeah.
clean round.
So, I think what he's taking advantage of is sometimes it's a better option to take the throw. It's kind of like a little bit of a meme in the Street Fighter universe.
Okay.
And he'll take advantage of that if he notices that, like, yeah, I'll just take the throw instead of trying to tech it and then and then get punished for it. That's what happened to me quite a bit. Even though you saw me teching a lot, you saw me get punished a lot too because I was thinking he was going to do a throw, and once he realized that, he was taking advantage of it. He knew I backed down from it after getting messed up so many times. Okay. Oh God, that was a good option. All right, so they're keeping the pressure on one another. They're not really backing down, giving each other time to breathe, which is actually more in Ed's best interest compared to Zeku, because Zeku can play the keep away game a little bit, as well as Ed. And Ed has a lot of anti-air options. Zeku does not. So
Okay. So
That's the other thing.
So if he jumps, he has a little easier time than
Yeah.
SkyGuy does.
okay.
I
He was
the
thinking-
confirms.
He was thinking that when he jumped and got hit in the air with that special. Okay, good. He was thinking he was probably going to be up front, so it hits differently up front than compared to behind.
Okay.
So.
That's a punish?
Yes. SkyGuy has been baiting that here and there.
And the stun, that's the round.
That was not a teabag, by the way. That was for his transformation. You have to press down, medium punch in order to transform into between his old and young form. Yep, there you go.
And does he just do that at the start of the round to mix it up?
Yeah, you can do that. It can also be put into combos as well.
Okay.
It's pretty interesting.
Nice reversal from SkyGuy.
So when it comes to young Zeku, he's more of a rushdown version, and then he doesn't have like any anti-air options whatsoever. But old Zeku does. And old Zeku will do that and play keep away as well. Okay.
Okay, so I like that SkyGuy is mixing it up. Just depending on the
Oh, okay,
situation.
caught him.
That was very
Caught him
nice.
on the back dash.
That
Okay.
was very nice from HoodieTar. Yeah, 1-1 in this little in the rounds.
Okay.
Some raw footsies here.
Checking their spaces. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Oh,
that was a really good idea.
It's a good idea, but
Yeah.
SkyGuy saw it coming.
I heard SkyGuy laughing to himself. Just you thought you outsmarted me. Yeah, he does that. Okay,
He
that
likes
was
to do
really good. Yeah, I've played Sky a lot online, so and in person. Like I know how he is. All right. Okay, good cross up.
Yeah.
Do a little bit of damage. All right. So, Jesus, SkyGuy has all. Okay, yeah, he has full resources right now.
So many.
Okay, he
things
used
he
it.
can do. One more throw. SkyGuy has to win more.
Okay, that's not
has
punishable.
One less neutral exchange than HoodieTar
oof.
has.
He's getting a little bit ahead of himself. Okay, that's a chip. So the only way you can
Win by chip.
win by chip with the super when blocking.
Okay.
So
I like that. I like that from SkyGuy the knowledge that he can get that to win. Was he forced to block there?
Yeah, he was forced to block there. That's why he did it.
Good. I like that. Yeah, 1-1. Obviously, this is more in SkyGuy's favor because HoodieTar just has to win more games. But
Easier said than done.
yes. Yes, HoodieTar is playing very, very well right now.
Yeah. Oh, good throw tech.
This is a very good sequence from SkyGuy right
Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, good call out on that. All right. Okay.
now.
So,
SkyGuy nearly had this stun there.
okay, yeah, he's keeping him at that right distance to throw out a fireball, like just from all the way across the screen. Like, oh, well, you could either block it or like I can try to get you to come forward, because that was the heavy version right there, where he does that slide into the shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the heavy version to bring him across the screen. Okay.
Good throw.
Okay. Block. Okay. He walked back a little bit. He was able to. Okay.
trade.
There's gonna be a throw. Yep.
Yep. Alright, takes the round. It's round 1 for SkyGuy. SkyGuy throwing out a comment about HoodieTar stressing him out.
Okay. Yeah. Good anti-air. All right. All right. Using that heavy kick, or I don't know. Yeah. Is that? Yeah. That's his roundhouse. Okay. Good jump in. All right. Made him waste that meter.
Yeah.
All right. Into the throw to challenge it.
You think that was a throw tech?
No, that wasn't a throw tech. He was going to. So what he probably did was he probably knew that he was going to delay instead of try and throw him. But it's the better option to go with a throw, I guess.
Oh, there's the stun. I think that's the
Yeah,
round.
that's it.
All right, SkyGuy goes convincingly up to or 2-1. Excuse me.
He's making him sweat. I wouldn't say
Yeah.
convincingly.
Those last couple
that
of
that
rounds
sequence.
were
Okay,
kinda
that sequence in the last round was convincing. Yes, but
But it's not. HoodieTar is definitely playing well enough to take this back still.
yeah.
I like.
Yeah, I have enough respect for both players. Like, this can go either way.
Yeah, this is not over yet.
Oh my goodness.
Another stun from SkyGuy.
All right.
Is this death or is this?
No, it's not death. No. He did that to build a little bit of meter.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
That's the perfect.
it happens.
It happens. We're gonna see.
Okay,
a bunch of stuff.
So this is winners finals game point. Okay,
Yeah.
no throw. All right. He didn't challenge it. He just backed off and let him with the throw. All right, good anti-air. All right.
Didn't get the full hit by what I saw.
Oh, good
That was a
option.
good reversal. I like that.
Okay, good shit. Oh, okay. All right. That wouldn't have been able to confirm it anything anyway. Okay, good throw tech. Oh, he was going for the anti-air. He didn't.
SkyGuy's
put it in
probably
in
gonna
time.
use up as many resources as
Oh,
possible
yeah.
to try to kill.
He wants to finish this as quick as possible. Yeah, that is game. Yeah, that's game.
All right, and SkyGuy is your Battle of the Birds Street Fighter V champion. I think he still lost money. I think he still lost money. No,